Hi guys, and today's video is making cranberry flapjacks. And first and foremost, put the butter into the bowl and add some golden syrup. And then that goes into the microwave, and literally put your dry ingredients into the mix bowl. As simple as that. Right guys, into the bowl, melted butter and golden syrup. Get your beater. Get down to the bottom to get all the loose stuff off the bottom. Cranberry flapjack. Yum yum. Thinking of Christmas. Right, we'll put that onto the machine. Right, that's ready. Take it off the bowl, off the machine. Right guys, paper on the tray. Empty out the ingredients. There you go, all mixed up. Give it a good shake. Get your hand in with a scraper, or you can just do it with your hand, whichever case may be. Pop that over there. Just spread it out with your hand. Like that. And once you've done that, literally spread it out fairly even. Get yourself water, just flatten it out, like so, and that's it, and it's ready for the oven. Hi guys, and the next stage is baking the flapjacks, and oven temperature is around about 375 Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes. Load up the oven. We'll see you in a bit when they're baked. There are guys, all out and baked. Hi guys, this is the cranberry flapjack. Nice and cool, we'll now cut that one up. Trim off the edges. Mark her up. Then the limes. There's the cranberry.